In today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 simple techniques to use Microsoft Loop for project journals. Microsoft Loop is a flexible space where your work, notes, and tasks stay connected. To get started, head to loop.microsoft.com and sign in with your personal or work or school Microsoft 365 account. A modern browser works best, and if you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one that has access to your project. Begin by creating a workspace. Think of a workspace as the home for everything related to a project: pages, links, and files all in one place. Give it a clear name so teammates instantly know what they'll find inside. You can always add people later if you're collaborating. Inside the workspace, create pages to hold your content, meeting notes, research, and task lists. Pages can have subpages so you can group related ideas without clutter. If you're migrating from scattered docs, consider one primary journal page and supporting subpages for topics that need more depth. To accelerate setup, try a built-in template like project planning. It provides a ready-made structure with sections for goals, milestones, and tasks. Customize or remove sections you don't need so it reflects how your team actually works. When you're ready to capture information, just start typing. Use the slash command, press the forward slash key to insert tables, checklists, images, and task components. Assign tasks directly from the page, add due dates, and keep everything tied to the context where the work originated. Now let's turn your workspace into a powerful project journal with 3 practical techniques. First, build a daily or weekly log table. Insert a simple table with columns like date, highlights, decisions, blockers, and next steps. Add a new row each day or week. This creates a clean, scannable history of progress and choices. When a decision needs visibility, turn that row or a selection into a shareable component so others can view it in apps like Teams. Next, use a task list component for an action-oriented journal. Capture each actionable item as a task, assign an owner with an at mention, and set due dates. Your journal becomes a running plan that shows what's done and what's next, with status updates happening in place. Finally, create dedicated brainstorming subpages. Use them for freeform thinking during planning or retrospectives. Add headings for themes, drop in images or links for inspiration, and then summarize key takeaways at the top. Convert promising ideas into tasks right from the page so nothing gets lost. With these steps, you'll sign in, create a workspace and pages, pick a helpful template, use the slash menu to add structure, and journal using logs, tasks, and brainstorming spaces that keep momentum visible and actionable.